was the largest bomber base in the Pacific. So within weeks of securing Tinian, American engineers began expanding the airfields. Ushi Point Airfield in the north was renamed to Northfield, and it would become the busiest bomber base in the world. The engineers worked around the clock, bulldozers, grazers, thousands of tons of crushed coral for runways, concrete for hard stands and taxiways. They built 4 parallel runways at Northfield. Each one were over 8,000 feet long and 200 feet wide. It was enough to handle fully loaded B-29 superfortresses taking off with maximum fuel and bomb loads. They built hundreds of hard stands. Those are parking areas for individual bombers. They had fuel storage facilities, bomb dumps, maintenance hangars, barracks for air crews and ground personnel. And by late 1944, Northfield could support over 200 B-29s. It was the largest bomber base in the Pacific, maybe the largest in the world. And then the bombers came. It was the 58th, the 313th, the 509th bombardment groups. They were all flying B-29 superfortresses, and they were all deployed to Tinian. Hundreds of aircraft, thousands of aircrew. And starting in November 1944, B-29s started launching from Tinian on bombing missions to Japan. Day missions, night missions, high-altitude precision bombing, low-altitude incendiary raids that burned Japanese cities to the ground. From Tinian, Tokyo was 1,500 miles away, a 6-hour flight. The B-29s could reach any target in Japan and return. The scale of the bombing was staggering. Hundreds of bombers taking off from Tinian, Saipan, Guam, sometimes over 500 aircraft in a single raid. They bombed factories, shipyards, railroads, oil refineries, military installations, and they bombed cities. The firebombing campaign in early 1945 was one of the most destructive aerial campaigns in history. Entire neighborhoods in Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya, and other cities were incinerated. The March 9th through 10th, 1945 firebombing of Tokyo killed over 100,000 people in a single night, more than either atomic bomb would kill.